My name is Paul Heiden and I'm responsible for the product at Ultimaker. From Ultimaker's perspective, we look at polymers. That's the technology that we focus on and that's where we want to be extremely good in. We feel that above all the value of 3D printing is in what we like to refer to as distributed manufacturing. That's an enormous saving, that's an enormous positive environmental impact, and it's this kind of use scenarios where you on the one hand produce locally and where the distribution is really digital. So you let the software fly, you let the G-code fly, and you only make things where you need them at the moment that you need. That's the real vision that Ultimaker is focusing on with regard to additive manufacturing. But what's very important is Ultimaker is not just a hardware vendor, it's also a very successful software vendor. A real great opportunity in the future is that all these people that use Cura could also have access to the simulation capabilities within Digimat. The whole additive manufacturing stack that Hexagon is currently offering will give us an enormous acceleration, and that's what we're going to pursue, that's what we're currently exploring. We want companies to be able to accelerate their G-code production, make more parts available in the form of G-code in order to really start benefiting from distributed manufacturing. And of course immediately things like simulation come into play. And it is in accelerating and improving the quality of G-code where we really can start working together. And that's in the longer term, not just in terms of simulation, it's also about knowing more about materials, being able to optimize the topology, perhaps talk about gradual infill and making sure that you really got the value of 3D printing. But time and time again you will see that there is a complete dependence between the capabilities of the machine, the capabilities of the materials and the capability of the simulation software, and everything needs to come together. And it's almost like you choose the material, you choose the machine, and that will color the way how you will simulate, the way how you will optimize your topology. So it's not something that you can independently do. It's something where we need the 3D printer manufacturer, Ultimaker in this case. It's the material manufacturer that you need. It's Hexagon that we need in order to improve and make better and better simulation in order to accelerate the creation of G-code. So if you ask me where the additive industry will be in perhaps 5 years' time, I think what will happen from the perspective of Ultimaker is that we will really have a consolidation in the market. There will just be a few manufacturers of 3D printers. So the capability of the machine determines, together with the capability of the material, how you simulate. It determines how you create topology. It even determines how you can make a geometry. There's an enormous interaction between the three of them. Together we're able to provide small, extremely useful sets of services that everybody who is using Cura in a professional fashion can access to improve their work and get faster to the right results.